Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access biometrics and password. Now click on Lock Screen Password. Tap on Change Unlock Method and apply the best one for you by clicking on it. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Then create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, just click on Done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint right away, just click on Add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. I will go with Cancel though. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!